I'm currently in Meissen after a bit of rain over me, but still I like to be out, and especially in here, which is a really amazing view over the city from the bridge over the Elbe River that you can see behind me. You can see the cathedral, the Gothic cathedral, the old fortress. And actually Meissen is famous for porcelain. It's the first factory of porcelain outside of the Orient, what they say. I guess it's, they mean in Asia. 300 years ago they started to produce here porcelain in the same or higher quality even from the East. And from here they disturb it to all over Europe. Currently the situation of the corona is really low numbers, so restaurants and bars are open, and outside and inside you don't need a mask. Due to the fact that I have not so much time in this city, town, I doing a night tour by myself in the city. I climbed to the cathedral, I went up the hill to the cathedral. It's not a long climb, and also there are ways suitable for handicap in wheelchair. You can take actually the bus or also there is an elevator to go here easily. So hopefully tomorrow morning I will have at least 1 hour to do a quick day shots of the city. Currently it's over 10 o'clock in the evening, in night, so everything is closed, but the light all around make the city really nice. So apparently I had just a bit of time to do a morning walk. As you can see, nothing going on because it's just before 9 o'clock. Some people go to work or stuff like this, but nothing more than this. Everything is still closed. Shops and everything is closed.